Yeah, when you go to Kenya,
They do not play about their security, family. I know. I'm a rebel.
Wow.
Sorry to unnerve you.
In Kenya,
they do not play about
they make you get
their
out
security.
the bus.
So, we're here at the airport in Rwanda, ready to leave. And I just want to say, it just feels good to be someplace where you look around and all you see is African, Black, your own self being promoted. I just love that about Africa. You see them clearly. They're here, but they are just a spot on a big wall. But the major components of this country and every other country is yourself, your artwork, your own visions and views and workers and all that. So, yeah, it's a beautiful thing. This is the end of our Rwanda journey. Bye-bye.
Your meter.
is right here.
Ah, this tree.
Right. And so,
Can you get it?
yeah. Okay. So here at the water company for my neighborhood. So we will see if they can help me. So this morning, conveniently this morning, and I have a friend, a brother that came in from the States that's coming to stay here in Tanzania for 30 days. And we picked him up from the bus station. We're coming in from Kenya and got to my house, settled in everything. This morning we have no water. So this is the second time I'm dealing with this. Didn't understand why we didn't have any water in the house, and I'm getting mixed reviews. So I'm hearing it's a city, something going on with the city, but I live inside of a compound and everybody in the compound has water except for me. So how is, and I'm leaving to coming down the outside of the compound, and I see running water coming from the pipes. So people outdoors using water. So everybody has water but me, but I'm being told it's an issue with the city. I don't understand. Then my landlord called me a couple weeks ago to drop me a water bill that was exorbitant. That was maybe like 10 times more than what I should be paying a month for water. And so that was a challenge there. And so now today, and that was only 2 weeks ago, and now today I have no water, and I'm being told it's an issue with the water city. However, everybody has water but me in my little town. So I'm confused. So I came here with my driver, bless his heart, Emmanuel. He came and he brought me to the water company. So for Arusha Moshono, excuse me. And so we're here now just waiting to get some answers. So I'm hoping that they can explain to me a little more in depth what is going on and why I'm having these challenges with water at my home. So that's where I am and what's happening. I'll keep you guys posted.
Balao, lakini hiyo nyumba tu haina, kwa sababu ana nyumba karibu 4-5. Sijui sasa tunaona wengine wanapata maji lakini ndiye haipata.
Okay, the saga continues because we're leaving the water company and they're saying that I have to get a fundi or somebody who works on the piping and stuff to come and check it out and see what's going on, because according to their records the bill has been paid, but there's another upcoming bill that's pricey too. So it sounds like there is a water issue going on the compound, but I still don't understand why everybody else has water but me. But my driver was saying that's probably because everybody else is using reserve tanks. So I don't know. We're about to meet the fundi now, and he's gonna come and take a look at the water piping.
Kidogo anaanguka hiyo.
Ile mita za kulipia kama umeme bado zitakuja
Prepaid.
Miss Rwanda already.
Zimefika kwenye taasisi.
Kwa bili ni kubwa sana, tunategemea
matumizi. Ile nyumba yenyewe installation yake haieleweki. Installation yake aliyofanya ni nyingi sana.
So many connections he doesn't even know. That's why I told you. The connection is very complicated.
So am I sharing the meter with some other homes maybe? No?
This is another meter and this meter.
Labda huko pembeni huko kama ameziminya.
Hamna. Haziminya. Ziko sawa.
You're not sure.
There's a different line.
For my own house?
Yeah. Your line is this and that one.
Perhaps the person who was there before you spent a lot of water. So it can be the problem. If you can forward the bill, you don't pay regularly. So that's the problem. Let's go and see if you are getting water in the house.
Okay.
You are laying down today.
Whew.
Be hot.
Right. So, no, that one never. It's just this one that will work.
This is the working.
Yeah.
This is not working.
I don't think so. No.
Beckham
no.
wewe. Ni anasema hizi hazitumiki.
The water's on in the house. I turned the sink on and it's coming out.
Already seen.
Yes.
That is good.
Yes. Asante. So, well, what's this? What's this?
I'm not understanding, but the connection in this house is a lot of standpipe.
Okay.
And it's drainer of the meter.
Ah. That's coming from the main?
Yeah. If the pipe was busted,
Yeah.
we're making repair.
Yeah.
The passings of rubbish.
Ah.
Yeah.
I see. I see.
Okay.
So with the price though, why did it cost so much for water every month? Every month.
Ah. Yeah, yanatoka.
Danny,
You ask me.
Yeah.
check inside.
I did.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on. Yeah. Let me make sure I check the kitchen. Let me check the bathroom. Here at the Tamil house. Just having dinner with some good folk. That's nice. All right, I know. Thank you. Is that good? It's good, right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, did you like it?
You can't do everything ain't what it seems.